everybody, welcome back to Nika Brothers. So we're working on the Lotus. Read all your comments down below. There's definitely some things we want to try. We are going to get this thing started for sure. Let's not waste any time and get this thing going.
All right, so we got the car. We looked at the damages. It's looking bad. Well, let's check out the suspension damage. So let's get this thing on the jacks. Take off the rear wheel, the front wheel, and inspect it. Maybe try to get it to roll better. Let's try it out. All right, so there we have a broken tie rod, probably for like the toe, center of the toe. So we can get that welded up really quick before we order it. But the next thing I was looking is this upper control arm. Looks like it's sitting back too much. Let's go to the other side and see how that looks. So this upper control arm looks a lot straighter. It doesn't look like it would have any alignment specs to it, but we can get some tape measure it out, and go from there. Lotus. All right, so just like that, we got the wheel off, and we can see the damage right there. The upper control arm is bent, so we're gonna need to replace this thing. So there's parts we need to order, not a big deal. But let's try to get this thing started. All right, so I've been trying to get this thing to crank over. We sprayed some starting fluid, and it started up and died. Then I was looking online, and it actually has a inertia switch, which is located like right there somewhere, right there. So we're gonna get a long stick. We're gonna push that and see if this thing will start. All right, let's try it. Sweet. Yeah. Pretty sweet.
That took a while.
So today I'm gonna start working on the fiberglass and the front panels, but we do have a lot of this PPF on it, which is it's really good. It keeps the car and the scratches and all that away, but when you start doing body work, it's kind of bad. So we got the steamer right there. We're gonna start steaming it and getting all of this off. It's probably gonna take a lot of energy. We're gonna take it apart, especially in the damages. Then we got ourselves a little grinder with a little disc on it. So we're gonna grind down the fiberglass, and then we're gonna start putting epoxy. Pretty much we got all day of work, and then we're gonna keep, be safe, and we're gonna put a mask on, because we don't want none of that in our lungs. We've been reading your comments, and you guys have been like, you gotta be careful and safe, and that's a really good idea. So let's go ahead and quit talking and start working. right, so finally we got this door off, and that's a pretty crazy design. That's a, you know, where the door hinge and then the safety bar. I mean, I guess that's a really good design, but that was a pain to figure out. Had to take the door panel, the glass, all that off. So, but now we can actually get to all this other little damages. So we gotta fix that up there. And we can probably fix it over here, so, and the door. So let's go ahead and keep sanding the passenger door. Sand that a little bit and get ready for the resin. All right, so there we have it. We got everything sanded down. Kind of have a clamp holding so this thing will hold up pretty nice. We got the fiberglass cut up in little pieces. Got them all over the car. Everything's wiped down, ready to go. So we got some fiberglass resin, ready to put in some of the hardener, mix it up, and start applying it. Let's see how this turns out. All right, so just like that, we got the fiberglass resin installed. We got it, you know, put on. It's looking pretty good. Unfortunately, it's gonna have to dry. It's kind of cold here in South Carolina. We missed the south. We missed the warm summer days, burning up in the heat. But anyways, we got everything done. As you can see, it's curing over here. I mean, once we sand this all down, it should be good to go. And pretty strong. Like over here, before it was flexing, now it's not. And then this I'll do a repair on it afterwards because it's actually plastic. So I don't know if it's like a plastic housing that's on fiberglass, but we'll fix that once we take that all out apart. But we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna start, you know, hopefully doing the body work. But over here we got little cracks, this door's off. A lot of work. This took pretty much all day of doing. I'm itching a little bit, but it is what it is. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode, you guys. Stay tuned. Leave us a comment down below of the progress so far. I'm in love with this car. I'm excited to drive it, and I'm probably not gonna let Michael drive it because he's too big and tall to drive it, and I'm just, the perfect size. And it's a car made for me. But anyways, stay tuned till next time. Tomorrow we're gonna start sanding all this down, starting to put some body work on it. We'll catch you next time.